Torqit's just released a product that's going to make transitioning from road to off-road and towing a whole lot easier. Our Power Module Plus is Australia's first Bluetooth active diesel performance module, which means you can select different tunes from your vehicle, all at the touch of a button from your smartphone screen. The new Torqit app is a control centre that brings together all the controls for our Bluetooth Pedal Torque Plus and Power Module Plus in one central hub, meaning you can control the power of your engine and the response of your foot pedal all in one spot. More importantly, we can now fine-tune, retune and issue upgrades remotely to our users for the first time. We've created a fuel economy setting, a standard cruising mode, and a mode with maximum torque and power. As well as this, you can now switch the module off and convert the car back to standard without disconnecting the module. These modules are designed to work safely within the manufacturer's parameters. These are our 5th generation of module, backed by 10 years of experience in diesel tuning in Australian conditions and quality German manufactured circuitry.